In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to ChatGPT using a Google account. By the end, you'll be confidently signed in and ready to start chatting without creating a brand new password. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the ChatGPT website. Give the page a moment to load. On the top right corner, look for the login button. It's easy to spot and sits alongside other navigation options. Click Login to open the sign-in screen. On the sign-in screen, you'll see several ways to access your account. Choose Continue with Google. This option lets you use your existing Google credentials, which is both fast and secure. It means you don't have to remember another password for ChatGPT, and your identity is verified through Google's trusted sign-in system. After you click Continue with Google, a small window may appear, or the page may redirect to a Google sign-in screen. If you're already signed into one or more Google accounts in your browser, you'll see them listed. Simply select the Google account you want to connect to ChatGPT. If the account you prefer isn't listed, choose the option to use another account and enter your Google email and password. This step happens on Google's secure sign-in page, so your credentials are handled by Google as usual. If Google asks you to confirm your identity, just follow the on-screen prompts. Sometimes this appears when you haven't signed in recently, or if you use extra security on your Google account. Once you've selected or signed into the right account, you'll be automatically returned to ChatGPT. That's it. You're now logged in with your Google account. You'll land on the ChatGPT interface, where you can start a new conversation or pick up where you left off. If you don't immediately see the chat area, give the page a second to refresh, and you should be good to go. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection, and if the Google window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups for this site. This login method works across major browsers and on both desktop and mobile, so the steps are the same whether you're on a laptop or a phone. To recap the flow, go to the ChatGPT site, click Login at the top right, choose Continue with Google, and select or sign into the Google account you want to use. Once you're back on ChatGPT, you're all set. Enjoy your session, and happy chatting!